What are your best practices as ECE teacher?
Hi, good morning. I'm Ana Jane C. Bagudles, a kindergarten teacher in Epifanio de los Santos Elementary School. So what are my best practices? One is doing routinary activities. So yun, kanta muna na magpe-prayer muna kami, lupang hinirang, tapos may kamustuhan, and then pagbilang ng mga bata kung ilan yung present sa section, kung anong araw ngayon, anong buwan, anong panahon, mag-exercise sila. And then pag na-settle na sila, ini-integrate ko din. Magtuturo ako na uumpisahan ko sa story. So, mag-story muna ako para yun yung springboard ko para matuto sila. So, yun lang laging ginagawa. Thank you.
Thank you. What are your best practices as ECE teacher?
I am Reda Aro, and I've been teaching for almost 14 years here in early childhood, in kindergarten. One of my best practices that I use is yung ini-integrate ko ang differentiated activities kasi yung mga bata ay iba't iba ang kanilang level. So, iba't ibang activities ang binibigay ko sa kanila. So, depende sa level nila. Then, I also included them ng stories, poems, and songs. So, para ma-motivate sila sa learning.
Thank you. Based on their answers, the common best practice of an ECE teacher in their classroom is having routinary activities to set the mood of the students, just like the uses of poems, dance, music, and the importance of integrating stories in their lessons, in their daily lessons. With these common best practices inside their classroom, the ECE teachers will be able to achieve the learning objectives or the learning goals set on that particular day.